I always believed that love was something to be earned, that if I tried hard enough, said the right words, or proved my unwavering loyalty, the person I longed for would finally see me, would finally choose me. I spent years chasing, waiting for answers that never came, interpreting silences, clinging to the smallest signs of hope. But the more I ran after someone, the further they seemed to go, until one day, exhausted from living in a cycle of anxiety and uncertainty, I stopped. And in that moment, something unexpected happened. Carl Jung, the renowned Swiss psychologist, had a profound understanding of these kinds of dynamics. According to him, what we seek in others is not really them, but a part of ourselves that we have lost or repressed. And when I understood this, my world changed. Why we chase someone, according to Jung, believed that what attracts us to another person is, in reality, a reflection of our own unconscious. In his theory of projection, he explained that we tend to see in others the qualities we deny in ourselves. When we chase someone, what we are really chasing is a part of ourselves that we haven't integrated. Maybe we see in that person the confidence we believe we lack, the love we don't give ourselves, or the validation we never received as children. I used to think that my happiness depended on someone choosing me, but Jung would say that what I truly needed was to choose myself. The impact of the collective unconscious, beyond our personal experiences. Jung spoke of the collective unconscious, a set of inherited patterns and beliefs that shape how we love and relate to others. We live in a society that has taught us that love must be a struggle, that sacrifice is proof of affection, and that suffering is part of the process. These ideas keep us trapped in relationships where we mistake desire for need, love for dependency. When we chase someone, we are actually following a script that has been imposed on us. But if we want to break free, we must rewrite our story. You're the power of letting go and looking within. When I stopped chasing, something profound changed within me. At first, I felt fear. I wondered, what if no one else comes? What if I end up alone? But little by little, that fear transformed into freedom, into clarity. I realized that love is not something to be begged for or pursued. It is something that is built from within. And the more I focused on my own growth, the more my relationships began to change. Jung spoke of individuation, the process of becoming the most authentic version of ourselves. And it was in that journey of self-discovery that I found what I had truly been searching for. The shadow facing what we repress. One of Jung's most powerful concepts is the shadow. These are the parts of ourselves that we deny, that we hide, because we were taught they were unacceptable. For me, facing my shadow meant recognizing that my need to chase someone didn't come from love. It came from fear. Fear of not being enough, fear of not being loved. When I stopped avoiding my shadow and looked at it directly, I understood that I didn't have to seek outside what already existed within me. Synchronicity, when everything starts to align. Jung also spoke about synchronicity, those meaningful coincidences that occur when we align with our true selves. When I stopped chasing, I stopped forcing, and when I stopped forcing, things started to flow. The right people appeared, relationships became more genuine, and for the first time in a long while, I felt at peace. The universe responds when we make the decision to let go of what was never meant for us. Conclusion: the real power is within you. If you've ever felt trapped in the cycle of chasing someone who won't give you what you deserve, I want to tell you this: you don't need to run after anyone. Real love isn't pursued. It is found the moment you stop searching for it in others and start cultivating it within yourself. Carl Jung said, "Who looks outside dreams. Who looks inside awakens." When I stopped looking outward and started looking inward, I awakened, and I discovered that everything I had been searching for in others was already within me. And now, I ask you, are you ready to let go and discover what really happens when you stop chasing someone?